In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow friends and add connections in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you open your Roblox account, you should be able to see people you may know. If you find that any of these accounts you know them or you wish to follow them, go ahead and tap on the account and just tap on add connection, and this person will receive a friend request. Once they accept the request, you will have connected with them. Alternatively, you can just also tap on this add option here to send a connection request or a friend request. The third method, go ahead and tap on connect here, and this will give you an option to find or to search for any of the friends that you are looking for using the username, or you can also find more friends down below. So that's how you can find friends and connect with your loved ones on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.